Hey everyone, my name is Tanishq and I'm a YouTuber and a blogger and obviously a student also. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. So without wasting any of your time, let's get started. So guys, let's get straight to the point. We are going to make today aesthetic notes and effective notes. So everybody could easily prepare for the exams and make their notebook beautiful. So let's discuss the material list we needed for the aesthetic note.
The first thing I use is an highlighter, a yellow sketch pen, and often a black pen, and often some sticky pads.
So now we are done with the material list, so I'm going to show you my format for writing the effective notes, and if you want, you can also copy that format because it's copyright free.
The heading of the notes are usually made by yellow sketch pen. You could use any kind of sketch pen, any color of sketch pen. And I also make sure I have figures on my notes so it looks more attractive, more eye-catching. And it could be used as fact store and practice like any sort kind of. And then next thing I use is my highlighters like of to highlight the stuff, and the black pen for writing all the stuff, writing all the notes. You could take any color highlighter, it's your choice. That's it for today's video, guys. Hope you should like the video, and if you like the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. So we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye and goodbye.